Assalamualaikum. Hello friends. This is story about the bird king. All the animals have king, but the bird don't have king. The pink bird said, "Who is the good king?" The sparrow said, "The bird who can fly very high." The eagle said, "I'm the king." The sparrow said, "Let's have a competition." One, two, three, go! The bird have race. Some bird was flow down because they were tired. Eagle said, I can fly very high and I am strong. I'm the winner. Look, what is that? That is sparrow. The eagle was very cross. I'm the winner. That is the winner is sparrow. Because sparrow has short tail. Okay, thank you friends. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.